Okay, so my last video, I showed poor Jackson trying to eat his food. He just had dental surgery done. He's got a mouthful of stitches, and he's not doing very well with eating, although he wants to eat. So today, I stumbled across these. They're cat soup. So I've got tuna in chicken broth, and I've got chicken and butternut squash. So, you already had the salmon one. Let's see what you think of the tuna. Remember, soup, so it's easy on your mouth. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. So I'm not sure what Friskies demographic is for this cat soup, but it is fantastic for a kitty who just had teeth extracted. He loves it. Okie wants in on this. No, Okie, it's for Jackson. Oh goodness, we have a whole gaggle of kitties coming. So I would say that Jackson gives it 2 paws up. Oh, and his sister Darla wants to try it. Darla, you're not the one that had surgery. Come on. Good boy, Jackson. And there's our review of the Friskies Lil Soups. Thank you.